Therefore, even though the S Pen retained its signature slot, Samsung subtly removed support for air actions and remote camera shutter capability from the Galaxy S25 Ultra earlier this year. Recent disclosures now suggest that that signature slot may not be around for very long. Recently, Flash Panda Pro, a well-known leaker, stated on X that Samsung is thinking of doing away with the S Pen holster entirely in upcoming Galaxy S Ultra variants. The shift would free up internal space, which Samsung apparently intends to use for larger batteries. For years, Samsung's Ultra flagships have been limited to a 5,000 mAh battery, despite fan demand for longer battery life. The source noted in a follow-up post that Samsung hasn't made a decision yet and that the S Pen and its dedicated slot may still be included in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is anticipated to launch in 2026. However, according to internal discussions, the Galaxy S27 Ultra, which is scheduled for release in 2027, is most likely the first model to do away with the in-body stylus storage. The S Pen itself might live even if Samsung eliminates the built-in slot, according to more reports from WCC Tech. According to reports, Samsung is thinking about utilizing powerful external magnets to hold the stylus in place, much like it does with the S Pen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although stylus input is supported by that device, customers will need to buy and carry the S Pen separately. Other than the S Pen modifications, there is no internal storage solution. Additionally, Samsung is reassessing its hardware design in an effort to increase battery capacity. Simplifying the rear camera arrangement is one suggestion being considered. According to reports, the business is investigating variable aperture lens technology, which may eliminate the requirement for numerous camera sensors. There is more space inside the chassis with fewer sensors, which could result in a larger battery or better thermal control. The Galaxy S Ultra lineup may get its most design change in years if these ideas are approved. Samsung appears to be shifting its focus towards performance-first criteria, such as battery life, internal efficiency, and streamlined component layouts, even though devoted fans might not be happy about the removal of the built-in S Pen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.